It's your day in tech history, and it's brought to you by our friends over at Carbonite, where you can get a 15-day free trial by going over to geekazine.com/carbon-free. Jeffrey Powers here. I welcome you to the Day in Tech History, a full rundown of technology history 7 days a week. Subscribe to the show via iTunes, Stitcher, or download right from dayintechhistory.com. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history. January 23rd, 1896, the first X-ray was demonstrated as Wilhelm Roentgen photographed Dr. Albert von Kolliker's hand. 1959, Robert Noyce of Texas Instruments conceives the idea of an integrated circuit. In 68, Noyce would found Intel with Gordon Moore and Andy Grove. 1983, the A-Team television show begins its first season on NBC. 1985, Apple Computer introduced the Macintosh Office, which included the first Apple Talk network and the Laser Writer laser printer. A $50 kit would be available to connect the Macintosh to the 230 kilobit per second Apple Talk network, but the Laser Writer was priced at $6,995. Apple also officially renamed the Lisa 2-10 computer to the Macintosh XL, $3,995 for that. 1991, the television series Seinfeld debuted on NBC. 1996, Apple Computer chairman Mike Markkula opens Apple's annual shareholders meeting. Amidst rumors of takeovers, sales mergers, and layoffs, Markkula admits the company faces serious problems. Also, 1996, Sun Microsystems ships the Java 1.0 development kit. 1997, Texas Instruments announces it will sell its notebook computer business to the Acer Group in Taiwan. And Sega and Bandai announced that the plans to merge effectively Wednesday, October 1st, 1997, have been approved by the boards of both companies. It was a merger that would involve a $1.08 billion stock swap. And in 1999, Sony Computer Entertainment introduced the Pocket Station handheld video game in Japan. Games were downloaded from the PlayStation in a new format, and it would cost only $25. Now this word from our friends over at Carbonite who want to help you pursue your passion. January is a month to reflect on what you did the previous year and also plan what you're going to do in the next. One thing you might want to put on that resolution list is to back up your data. And Carbonite is here to help with that. Founded in 2005, Carbonite backs up over 300 billion files to their secure servers, from photos of your newborn to important videos of the family and friends, not to mention those years of scanned documents you've been spending days digitizing. All of it gets stored in their secure cloud, so you're protected from fire, theft, and other acts, but also able to pull it down on your iPad to show those cute pictures to friends and family. Your data is secure and encrypted, and if you're a small business in the healthcare market, Carbonite can help since they are also HIPAA compliant. It's your life backed up for $59.95 a year, a small investment in important files. For more information, you got to check out geekazine.com/carbon-free. That's geekazine.com/carbon-free. Back up now, back up often, back up off-site with Carbonite. Now let's get back into your day in tech history. 2001, Microsoft and Sun Microsystems settled their Java lawsuit. Microsoft would pay Sun $20 million, and it was permanently prohibited from using the Java-compatible trademark on its products. Also in 2001, Transvirtual Technologies released the Pocket Linux operating system. 2003, NEC introduced the Versa Pro tablet in Japan with a 10.4-inch screen. It weighed 2.2 pounds and cost 296,000 yen, about $2,500. 2008, eBay CEO Meg Whitman stepped down after 10 years. 2009, Apple reached a $22.5 million settlement in a class action iPod Nano suit filed in October of 2005, alleging that Apple's iPod Nano was prone to scratches and alleged defects, and that was not disclosed by the company. Also in 2009, after seeing that Sarah Richardson had changed her Facebook profile to single, ex-husband Edward went to her home and stabbed her to death. He then tried to commit suicide, however, failed. Edward was sentenced to 17 years in prison. 2012, YouTube announced that they had over 4 billion daily video views, and the Supreme Court ruled that the police must obtain a warrant to track a person via GPS. And in 2014, Lenovo acquired the server side of IBM for $2.3 billion. They acquired the laptop and PC division a few years prior. Any device on the x86 portfolio, including the Blade Center and Flex system, would be acquired by Lenovo, and IBM would retain the System Z mainframes, power-based Flex servers, and other appliances. And that's your Day in Tech History. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2015, JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.